Welcome to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. The Ketobiotic Diet is a diet plan that combines the ketogenic diet with probiotics. While the keto diet has been around for decades and is well known for its benefits, the concept of combining it with probiotics is relatively new. The ketogenic diet or keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet designed to induce a state of ketosis in the body. What is ketosis? It is a metabolic state in which the body switches from using glucose or sugar as a primary energy source to burning fat as fuel. This usually results in weight loss. This diet incorporates probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut by improving digestion, strengthening the immune system and promoting nutrient absorption. Your body is the winner, since it optimizes both your nutrition and your intestinal health. Every diet plan has principles that guide its application. Here are the main principles of the ketobiotic diet. Low carbohydrate intake. Like the traditional keto diet, it involves reducing carbohydrate intake to induce ketosis. This usually means consuming less than 50 grams of carbohydrates per day to change the body's main fuel source from glucose to ketones. Moderate protein intake. Protein intake is moderate to prevent excess protein from being converted to glucose. This helps maintain a state of ketosis while providing adequate protein for muscle maintenance and other bodily functions. High fat intake. The majority of daily caloric intake comes from healthy fats. Fats are a concentrated source of energy that can provide more than twice as many calories per gram as carbohydrates or protein. Consumption of probiotic-rich foods. This diet plan places special emphasis on incorporating a variety of probiotic-rich foods to promote gut health. Consumption of whole, nutrient-rich foods. Encourages the consumption of whole, nutrient-rich foods to ensure that the body receives essential vitamins, minerals and other nutrients. This includes a variety of non-starchy vegetables, high-quality proteins and healthy fats. Adequate hydration. Drinking water helps maintain a healthy metabolism, promotes fat loss and improves exercise performance. In addition, staying hydrated can help control hunger, prevent overeating and ensure optimal overall health and wellness. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please try to do it now and like the video. This can help us to make YouTube show it to more people and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our interesting tips. Let's continue this educational adventure. We have just examined the principles of this diet plan. Let's now look at the types of foods that are recommended. First, we have avocados. These creamy, delicious fruits are rich in healthy fats and low in carbohydrates, making them an excellent choice. Avocados also provide dietary fiber and are a great source of potassium. Next on the list are nuts and seeds. These include almonds, walnuts, chia seeds and flax seeds. They are packed with healthy fats, fiber and essential nutrients. Nuts and seeds can be smacked on or added to meals for a crunchy, nutritious touch. Let's not forget fermented foods, which are fantastic sources of probiotics. Some examples are yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi and kombucha. Greek non-fat yogurt is a great source of protein and probiotics. You can opt for natural varieties with no added sugars to keep your carbohydrate intake low. Then there are fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel and sardines, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporating fatty fish into your meals adds healthy fats to your diet. Finally, there are healthy oils such as olive oil and coconut oil. They are rich in monounsaturated fats and are excellent for cooking, dressing salads, or flavoring your dishes. Now that you are familiar with the foods recommended in the ketobiotic diet, it is time to discover the extensive health benefits of this dietary approach. Helps control weight. The ketogenic aspect of the diet promotes fat loss by putting the body into a state of ketosis, where it efficiently burns fat for energy. This can contribute to effective weight control. Improves gut health. Probiotic-rich foods support a diverse and thriving gut microbiome, and a healthy gut microbiome is associated with better digestion, nutrient absorption, and lower risk of gastrointestinal problems. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. The low carbohydrate nature of this diet helps stabilize blood sugar levels and reduces spikes and crashes. This can be especially beneficial for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Increases energy levels. Excessive carbohydrate intake can cause energy dips and feelings of fatigue as blood sugar levels rise and fall rapidly. By reducing carbohydrate intake and using fats as a source of energy, the ketobiotic diet can help minimize these energy dips, providing a more stable and sustained energy level throughout the day. Reduces inflammation. This dietary plan encourages the consumption of antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to inflammation. Thus, it helps reduce inflammation caused by oxidative damage. Regulates appetite. Fats are highly satiating, which means they help you feel full and satisfied for longer. Including healthy fats in meals can reduce the desire to eat frequently or in excessive amounts. Keep in mind that while individual responses may vary, the overall success and sustainability of this dietary approach depends on factors such as personal health goals and lifestyle. Are there any side effects? Before embarking on the ketobiotic diet, it is crucial to be aware of the possible side effects that may arise. Understanding these effects can help you make an informed decision. Here are some important considerations about possible side effects. Keto flu. During the initial transition, you may experience symptoms commonly known as the keto flu. Symptoms are fatigue, headaches, nausea, irritability, and are temporary. They can be minimized by gradually adjusting to the diet and staying hydrated. Digestive problems. Changing eating habits and increasing fat intake can cause digestive discomforts such as constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach. These problems are usually temporary and can be controlled by incorporating fiber-rich foods. Nutritional deficiencies. The ketobiotic diet restricts or limits certain food groups, which can make it difficult to meet specific nutrient requirements. To avoid this side effect, eat a variety of nutrient-rich foods and consider appropriate supplementation if necessary. Medical considerations. People with certain medical conditions, such as kidney or gallbladder problems, may need to use caution when following this diet plan. Transition tips. Educate yourself, understand the principles of this diet. Knowing the basics will help you make informed food choices. Transition gradually. If this is your first time on the keto diet, consider gradually reducing your carbohydrate intake rather than making abrupt changes. This can help minimize potential keto flu symptoms and allow your body to adjust more comfortably. Also, gradually introduce probiotic-rich foods into your diet. Plan balanced meals. Aim for balanced meals that include a variety of nutrient-rich, low-carbohydrate foods. This will ensure that you meet your nutritional needs. Plan your meals in advance. This way you'll avoid falling for less healthy options when you're hungry. Experiment with recipes. There are many creative and delicious ways to combine keto and probiotic foods. Find recipes that suit your tastes and preferences. Monitor your body's response. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust your food choices based on your energy levels, satiety, and any digestive changes you may experience. Be patient and flexible. The transition period may involve adjustments and experimentation. Be patient with yourself and don't hesitate to modify your approach based on your body's response and your personal preferences. Seek social support. Share your dietary goals with friends or family members who can provide support. Having a support system can make the transition more enjoyable. If your goal is to lose weight, this diet may be helpful to you. However, it is important to consult with a dietitian or healthcare professional to determine if it is right for you before incorporating it into your routine. We appreciate your participation and encourage you to click the subscribe button and share this video. In the meantime, if you have any further questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Your comments are very valuable. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.